Every can begins an extraordinary journey through one of the most advanced food production systems in the world.
Every second, thousands of perfectly sealed cans move through an extraordinary production system built for speed, precision, and uncompromised. Batch begins with carefully inspected chilled pork, delivered under strict temperature control to preserve freshness and food safety.
Every batch begins with carefully refrigerated pork, delivered under strict temperature control.
Before production begins, every shipment undergoes strict quality and safety inspections.
Large cuts are carefully prepared into uniform pieces for consistent processing. Powerful grinding systems create the consistent texture required for every can.
Every ingredient is measured with precision to ensure consistent flavor in every batch.
Vacuum mixing improves texture while maintaining consistent product quality.
Every empty can is cleaned and inspected before entering the production line.
Before filling begins, every can is sterilized to meet strict food safety standards.
Computer-controlled filling systems ensure every can receives the exact same amount.
Precision filling equipment delivers the exact amount into every can. Automated inspection systems verify every filled can before sealing.
Every lid is positioned with remarkable precision before permanent sealing.
Specialized seaming rollers create a permanent airtight seal in just a fraction of a second.
Every sealed can is inspected to ensure a perfect airtight seal before cooking. The sealed cans are automatically prepared for high-temperature pressure cooking.
Robotic systems carefully load every sealed Spam can into giant pressure cooking baskets before sterilization begins.
The baskets enter giant pressure cookers, where precise heat and pressure make the product completely safe. Controlled heat and pressure sterilize every can, ensuring long shelf life without refrigeration. After cooking, every can is rapidly cooled to preserve quality and maintain food safety. Powerful air systems completely dry every can before automated inspection begins.
Advanced inspection systems verify that every can meets strict quality and safety standards.
Every can receives a unique production code for complete traceability.
Automated cameras verify that every label meets quality standards. Robotic systems pack every can with speed and precision for shipment.
Every shipping carton is securely sealed before entering the warehouse. Automated palletizing prepares thousands of cartons for efficient storage and transport. Automated warehouses organize thousands of finished products for rapid distribution.
When retailers place an order, automation retrieves the correct shipment within minutes. Every shipment is carefully loaded and prepared for delivery across the country. From this factory, millions of Spam cans begin their journey to stores and families around the world. Thousands of finished cartons are stored in an automated warehouse, ready for shipment. Automation keeps inventory moving with incredible speed and accuracy. Every shipment is verified and secured before leaving the factory. Modern logistics systems prepare thousands of products for nationwide distribution. From carefully selected ingredients to nationwide delivery, every Spam can completes an extraordinary journey.
X-ray technology performs another layer of quality verification.
Random laboratory testing confirms every batch meets strict food safety standards. Every shipment is digitally verified before leaving the factory. Stretch wrapping protects every pallet during transportation.
Autonomous vehicles move products quickly and safely throughout the facility.
Automated distribution systems prepare shipments for stores across the country.
Temperature-controlled delivery helps maintain product quality until it reaches retailers.
After a remarkable manufacturing journey, the product is finally ready for customers. From advanced engineering to your table, every can reflects precision, safety, and decades of manufacturing expertise.
Every production line is thoroughly cleaned before the next batch begins. Routine maintenance keeps every machine operating with maximum precision.
Engineers monitor every stage of production in real time.
Every stage works together to deliver consistent quality from start to finish. Thanks for joining us on this journey inside one of the world's most advanced food manufacturing processes.
Welcome to Inside Factory Official, where we break down real-world insights that help you make smarter decisions every day.